Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do topic 72A, that is epidemiology and forecasting. So we will discuss some topics related to it. So the first topic we are going to discuss today is causes of pest outbreak. Causes of pest outbreak. Why does pest outbreak takes place? So the first cause is destruction of forest or bringing forest area under cultivation. Destroying forest and bringing forest area under cultivation. That is, we have seen studied out shifting cultivation, and this forest area is shifted to cultivated crops. This is cultivated crops. So for example, you can see that hairy caterpillar attack. Hairy caterpillar attack. This is always seen near the forest area. Suppose this is the forest area and here we have a field. So this field is more prone to hairy caterpillar because it is nearest to the forest. So it is attacks near forest area. Second one is indiscriminate use of high use of pesticides. Leads to destruction of natural enemies. What happens? This leads to destruction of natural enemies. Leads to pest resistance and also pest resurgence. Pest resurgence example, we have got synthetic parathites on sucking pest, such as you can see this relationship, very good relationship on synthetic parathites on sucking pest. Third one is intensive cultivation. Intensive means cultivation. Intensive cultivation example, here we can see diamond black moth on cauliflower. This is mainly due to intensive cultivation. And also there is high monoculture of rice. High monoculture of rice leads to the outbreak of leaf folder. Leaf folder is a pest. So these are very classic examples. Now moving on to next cause. That is number 4. Introduction of new crops. Introduction of new crops, new varieties, such as for example you can see that grunkin crops leads to more fruit fly incidence. Leads to more increase in fruit fly incidence. Fruit fly incidence. Number 5th, improved agronomic practices is also a reason of pest outbreak. Improved agronomic practices example, closed spacing between crops, higher nitrogen use. These leads weed control, etc. This leads to competition for food. competition for food between the pest and the crop, and they mainly attack the crop. Number 6, introduction of new pest in a new area. Sometime accidentally new pest is introduced. Introduction of new pest such as apple woolly aphid, apple woolly aphid was introduced accidentally. This is example of introduction of new pest accidentally. Number 7 is accidental introduction of foreign pest. Or you can also add accidental introduction of foreign pest. So these two are similar points. Here introduction of new pest, suppose sometimes not accidentally we introduce pest for other regions and then they become pest, and there is accidental introduction of forest pest. Example, potato tuber moth, etc. Number 8, large scale storage of food grains. This leads to the outbreak of storage pests, rat problem, etc. So these were the causes of pest outbreak. Now what is pest resurgence? Pest resurgence. It is a situation in which a population, after having been suppressed, it is a situation in which a population of pest, after being suppressed, rebounds to attain a higher population density. Rebounds after being suppressed, rebounds to attain a higher population, a much higher population than before, a higher population density than it was before suppression occurred. Than it was before suppression. So they attain a higher population than before suppression. So how it happens? Its major reasons. So mainly it happens due to pesticide roles. Mainly pesticide roles has been a greater factor, such as indiscriminate use of pesticides, high use of pesticides. This leads to reduction in species diversity, and sometimes many predator also dies. Killing and destruction of natural enemies and predators, which I discussed right now. Killing and destruction of natural enemies and predators. Destruction of pest competitors. Destruction of pest competitors. Example, more space to target pest, no enemies. We often destroy competitors because we need to kill the target pest, no enemies are present. So these things also is a reason for resurgence, pest resurgence. Pesticide resistant due to improper use. There is pesticide resistance due to high use or improper use of pesticides. So these are the major reasons. Now moving on to the next topic, that is, it is an important topic asked in previous years, that is interaction between plant parasitic nematodes and viruses. interaction between plant parasitic nematodes and viruses. So this one asked in previous year, very important. So you should know that nematodes act as a vector for spread of viral disease in plants. Nematodes act as a vector for spread of viral disease in plants, vector which carry the disease. Nematodes acquire virus when feeding on roots of infected plants. They acquire virus when they feed on roots of infected plants. In nematodes, both juvenile and adult can juveniles can transmit virus. Both can transmit virus. Transmission is in a non-persistent way, and transmission is in non-persistent way. Transmission is in non-persistent way. So now we will see what NAPO is. We have to discuss two NAPO and NATO. What is NAPO? So NAPO is nematode transmitted polyhedral shaped virus. Nematode transmitted polyhedral shaped virus. Its family is Psychoviridae and its subfamily is subfamily Comovividae. Let me rub the parts. These I'm writing the continuation of these NAPO virus are isometric, that is polyhedral, as the shape I've discussed here, polyhedral particles of around 300 nanometer in diameter, and its diameter is 300 nanometer. 300 nanometer in diameter. Contains biparasitic genome. With two single-stranded RNA groups. With two single-stranded RNA groups, RNA1 and RNA2. RNA1 and RNA2, both needed for infection, and both are needed for infection. Example, for vectors we see example of nematodes of Longidorus species, or you can see here nematodes of Gryphina species. And the disease caused by virus is, and here the disease caused by this virus is tobacco ring spot virus, cherry leaf roll disease, and you can say tomato black ring virus, tomato black ring virus or tomato black ring disease. So this was about NAPO. Now we will see about NATO. Let me rub about this. I hope you understand. Now see about NATO. This is nematode transmitted tubular shaped virus. Last one is polyhedral. This is tubular. Nematode transmitted tubular shaped virus. Its family is Figravicidae. These are rod shaped particles with two ranges. These are rod shaped with two ranges, that is, one is about 180 to 210 nm, another is about 45 to 150 nm, that is nanometer. Its genome consists of single stranded RNA. Its genome consists of, in Nepo it was of dual stranded RNA 1 and RNA 2, but here it is a single stranded RNA. In Nepo is about two single stranded RNA, but here it is one single stranded RNA, not double stranded, single stranded RNA. The vectors, it acts as vectors in Trichodorus species, DORUS, Trichodorus species, and Paratrichodorus species. Disease caused by paper ring spot virus, paper ring spot virus, P. early Browning virus, and tobacco rattle virus. So this was about Nepo and NATO. Hope you understand this. So this is all for today. For any queries, do comment. If you like it, please press the like button. Do share and subscribe. Keep making notes. Have a nice day. Thank you.